Hello world and welcome back to another tutorial on Python, Tkinter, and how to create a small app, simple application for you and your company or you as an individual looking to do a little bit better with programming. Um, so as you may have seen in the last video, there was a small tutorial on how to create a simple app. Within that app or simple screen, within that screen was a label, a canvas, as well as some drawings within that canvas. Now I'm going to expand on what was taught in the last video and show you a little bit more about what can be done with the canvas. So this is the same file that we were using in the last video, but what I did is I made a few changes. In the last video you would have noticed that there was a single button here, and that button on press did nothing at all. Also, the text here had been changed. It said label 1 cool. I did make one change, just showing some of the text changes, so that's as easy as going into the label that was created and recreating or rewriting the text here. But this is our simple display. What I did is I made these two buttons, and this time within the buttons I called different commands. So this one says magic. Magic here on press will show the drawings that were created for this particular app and for this particular canvas. On press for the delete button will clear the screen and clear the canvas of all drawings. And I'll show you that. On press, magic, welcome to the new age, a line, a simple blue line, and the Pac-Man symbol, a yellow Pac-Man. Upon press of the delete button, it'll clear the screen. Yeah, so this is once again another problem with, I literally just ran this and it worked. No changes to the environment and it worked. So this is my problem, and I'm trying to figure out what ghost is on my computer. Get off of my equipment. Get off of my equipment. I'm sitting here trying to work, trying to create a better life for me and my family. All right. So here we are. I'm gonna run it again. Magic delete. Why is this not working? Global name all works. Anyway, so that is the equation and the function you can use to delete everything within a canvas. Canvas1.delete, and you can select all, or you can select this here, which selects the different variables that were called within the call draw function. So call arc equals canvas1 dot create arc. Call can line equals canvas1 dot create line, and canvas text equals create text. Now I'm gonna delete, or the line is unnecessary for the app that we're going to create. And as you saw, these are also definitions, so you can name your definition and then call it within your button. So these are the buttons down here. These are the definitions created. Just to go through the button again, so I created these two buttons to be within a grid within this label here. Button 1 lab, or button lab equals label within the root window, and then button 1 equals button within the button lab label within the root window. And then you'll see it's the width 7, height 1, background gray, foreground color blue, text equals magic, font is device 10 in italic, and then I called upon the command, which is draw, call draw, and it draws these particular variables within the canvas. The second button here once again is delete, and this should work with no problems whatsoever. It literally just worked before I started this tutorial, and this is something that I'm gonna continue to write, but then I'm also gonna be suing. No, I'm playing. Maybe not. We'll see. Why this doesn't seem to work, and why it works this time, but then it may not work the very next time with the exact same setup. But I did promise to show you guys the delete function, and as I stated before, you can use either this function here or the one beneath it, where you can delete specific variables called within the canvas, or you can delete all, which was drawn within the canvas also. But this was a brief tutorial on a few more of the canvas features. Oh, you know what? I'll show you this too. Or I found this to be pretty cool. You can make the you can actually move the Pac-Man symbol. And I found this online. I have to thank this guy. His name is DJ Omen. And I think if I put it here, it should work. And for all intents and purposes, that goes there. That goes there. Run it. And it should for I in range 1, 2, 3. Yep, and actually that should work too. So what the hell is going on? What the hell? What the excuse my language. Name canvas 1 not defined. How is canvas 1 not defined? Canvas 1 is right here. Let's see. That should run. Yeah, so yeah, I just had to put it beneath the button grid.